Hello everyone. Today we are going to see one of the problem from your journal proper, which is nothing but opening entry. You will find this question on page number 117 and question number 6. Let's see how to solve the problem. Before solving the problem, you have to keep in mind that you need to find the capital in opening entry problem. How you are going to find? With the help of this formula, total assets minus total liabilities. So, there are 5 columns for writing any journal entry or opening entry: date, particulars, LF, debit amount rupees, credit amount rupees. So, there are 5 columns. Opening entry as on 1st April 2019, it is given in the question. You will find this question on page number 117, question number 6 in your accountancy first year Telugu Academy textbook. Write the opening entry as on 1st April 2019 from the following: debtors 16,000. So, 2019 April 1st. Debtors account debit. Creditors is liability for you, so you keep aside the creditors for a time being. First you have to write all the assets in debit, thereafter you will go through with the liabilities. So, creditors you keep aside. Bills receivable, account debit. Furniture account debit. Bank overdraft is a liability, so keep aside that liability. Already we are having one liability called as creditor. You write it after writing the asset, as well as bank overdraft is also a liability, so do not write the liabilities now. First you write all the assets, so you keep aside the bank overdraft. Business premises, business premises is in this question. Business premises account debit. So, these are all 4 assets is given in the question. Now, what are the liabilities? First of all, we have kept aside creditors. Now, bring it back to creditors account, to bank overdraft account. Now, what we have to find? We have to find capital. So, right here to capital account, how much is the capital? We have to find. Write the narration: being last year balances has been brought forward. Here, how much is the amount of debtors? 16,000. Bills receivable is 8,500. Furniture 4,500. What about business premises? 30,000. Creditors 12,000. Whereas bank overdraft is 5,000. We have to find the capital. How you are going to find the capital? With the help of this formula. Capital is equal to total assets minus total liabilities. Let's see how much is the total of assets. Total of assets 16,000, 8,500, 4,500, 30,000. Total means you need to add all these total amounts. 0 0, carry 1, 6 plus 8, 14 plus 1, 15, 15 or 4, 19, 3 plus 1, 4 plus 1, 5, yes, 10, 12, 18, 19, yes, 59,000 is the total of assets. What about the liabilities? 12,000 plus 5,000, how much? 17,000. 17,000 is the total of liabilities. Let's see how much is the capital. Capital is equal to total asset is 59,000 minus total liabilities 17,000. 59,000 minus 17,000, how much? Is 42,000. So this is your capital. 42,000 is the capital. This is your answer. So we have found the capital. How much? 59,000 is the total asset minus 17,000 is the total liabilities. So you will come to know the value of your capital, which is 42,000. This is your answer. How you get this answer means, first of all, you have written all the assets here: debtors account debit, bills receivable account debit, furniture account debit, business premises account debit, and then write the liabilities to creditors account, to bank overdraft account. Then go for the total of all the assets, which is nothing but 59,000, then total of liabilities, which is 17,000. Then you have to find the capital from the total asset minus total liabilities. 59,000 minus 17,000 gives you 42,000, which is nothing but your capital. So to creditors account, to bank overdraft account, to capital account, which we have found 42,000 rupees. This is how you are going to write the opening entry. Hope you understood the problem. Thank you everyone.